Like what it be like you already know what it is. It's your boy Calvin Like My Way. I got this unboxing I'm gonna do today. I received a catalog from Budk.com. Um, and Budk.com they have prep supplies, they have knives, they have ammo, machetes, swords, all types of crazy awesome stuff. Prices prices are dope. Um, and I bought my wife myself a taser, right? I already cut it here, and I bought another machete because I am a knife enthusiast as well. Follow my page, you know I love MMA, uh, wrestling, movies, so forth. But one of my first loves were knives, right? So I'm gonna unbox this. You got down here. You got the Budk.com catalog. Look at this crazy joint right here. That's so dope, man. Blades, cross crossbows and swords and all types of awesomeness, right? Have a link here below, you know. But this doozy right here, stun gun right here. Normal price was like $33, I believe. But I got two, and they were about $19.95 or something like that a piece. Got a little carrying pouch. Got a charger. And this says the stun gun is a 2 million volt power stun gun. That sounds crazy as hell. Hard to believe. But it's not just a stun gun, guys. It's a freaking flashlight. Look at that. Oh, crap, that's bright. Flashlight and taser. Well, stun gun. Let's see how this works. Woo! You see that? Oh, that's fire. Literally. Flashlight. Somebody run up on you. You got a switch down here at the bottom where you can turn the actual stun gun on. Turn it on. Then on the opposite side, this is how you turn the flashlight on here. The back side, this button here. Hold up. Turn that back on. Guess I need to charge this cell phone. So you got to turn the power on for the flashlight. Then you hit that. That is insane. There will probably be another video coming soon of me getting hit by this thing. But I got two of these. Like I said, it was like $19, $20 pretty much. And then I bought me a new machete. Let's see what this thing looks like. Ooh. It's actually a Arabian sword, but as short as it is, it's really just a machete. Look at that curve on that monster. Get this box out of the way. Oh man, that's fire. That is a beauty. Oh my God. Oh, that's fire. I got this right here. It's heavy. Nice weight, balance. For like $35, man. Think about it. $35 for this blade here, which will probably be on display. But, oh my God. Craftsmanship. It's like wood, metal, and wood handle here. Man, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. For like 35 bucks. I was gonna get something else, but I was like, hey, let me try them out on the low end before I start spending so much money with somebody. But this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Stainless steel, handcrafted, but made in China. But that is dope. Like I was saying, when you buy something like this out of catalog, a lot of time they give you a little cheap sheep. $35. I wouldn't expect more than that. But sheep is decent. The blade is beautiful, awesome handle. Seems pretty rugged. I mean, I'm not gonna go outside and cut no freaking brush with it. But what's to say I couldn't? We'll try that out. Like I said, I'll probably do a review on exactly how good this thing works. Got the flashlight. That's bright as crap. We got the stun gun action to get off me. Wow. That brightens up my face. But I got two of these, one for me, one for my wife. But yeah, it's freaking dope. That is freaking dope. Link below if you want to check out budk.com. I don't know if there'll be any promo codes, any of that. But hey, just check it out, see what you like. I like this Night Watcher stun gun, 2 million volt power, flashlight as well. So if you're into prep and you want a tactical flashlight, freaking bright as crap, why not? Good flashlight's gonna cost you like 20 bucks anyway. Why not get you a flashlight that's also a stun gun? So that's fire. So till next time, be encouraged, be productive. Prepare. Stay ready.